Overcoming the lockdown restrictions, sown area of summer crops has increased significantly, registering 36% increase over the last year, pushed up mainly by rice cultivation. Farming operations in the field, harvesting and sowing, have been exempted from lockdown, but social distancing and social responsibility has to be maintained. Farming machinery, shops, custom hiring centers, services related to fertilizers and seeds, mandi operations for marketing have also been given concessions from lockdown to enable farming to proceed smoothly.